Hello and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will demonstrate how to disable the text layer while converting PDF to PNG or JPG using PDF.co and Zapier. The link to the complete tutorial is available in the description box below. For further information, please visit PDF.co. To demonstrate how to turn off the text layer during the conversion process, we will be using this sample PDF document. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, log into your Zapier account and click on the Create Zap button. Next, proceed to the action step and search for PDF.co app. And choose the PDF to anything converter to convert PDF to any documents. Now, connect your PDF.co account to Zapier by adding the API key. You can obtain the API key from your PDF.co dashboard. Let's setting up the configuration for your file conversion. First, choose the output format that suits your needs, either JPG or PNG. Next, input the direct URL of your source PDF file. In case you are using a file instead of a URL, you may utilize the PDF.co file storage to convert the file to URL for processing on PDF.co. Then add the list of pages where you want to disable the text layer. And give a name to the output file as per your preference. Lastly, enter the profile parameters to switch off the text layer. To learn more about custom profiles, kindly check out our knowledge base articles in PDF.co API docs. We provide a link in the description box below. Now let's proceed with testing the action of sending a request to PDF.co and disabling the text layer in the converted image document. The test has been successful and has provided with the temporary URLs. Please copy these URLs and paste them into your web browser to view the output. Here are the output that shows what the converted file looks like after the text layer has been turned off during the conversion process. We have a lot of available tutorials that you can check on our PDF.co website. You may also visit our YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Thank you for watching.